Hello, Grandma.
Hello, Emma.
Hello, Grandma.
Hello, Tom.
Your farm is beautiful. Thank you.
Race you to the chicken coop!
You're on. Come on, boy.
Whoop, whoop!
We're almost there. Look at him go.
Arf!
We made it. That was so fun.
The chickens need food.
Can I feed them?
Yes, you can.
Me too. Of course. The chickens are coming. I found one. I found 2 eggs.
Good job.
The eggs are warm.
Yes, fresh eggs are warm. Be careful with the eggs.
Don't worry, Grandma. The flowers are beautiful. Look at the butterflies.
Spring is a wonderful season.
I love the farm.
The garden is just ahead.
Wow! The garden is huge! There are so many vegetables!
Yes, there are.
What are we picking today?
Tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce.
Let's start!
These tomatoes are ready.
They are very red. Can I pick some?
Yes.
This tomato is big.
This carrot won't move.
Pull harder. I'm trying.
Use both hands!
Got it.
That's a huge carrot.
Well done, Tom. Can you wash the vegetables?
Sure. Can I help too?
Of course. This soup is very good.
I like it.
I am glad.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you for everything.
You are welcome.
Look at Max. He is so cute.
Hello, Max.
Good boy.
Max loves visitors. Can he play with us?
Of course.
Look, a squirrel. Woof, it's so fast. Max, wait. Come back, Max.
Oh dear.
He's chasing the squirrel. Where is Max?
I don't know.
Max!
Let's look for him.
Max, where are you? I hope he is okay. Don't worry. We will find him. Let's keep looking.
That's a good idea.
The tracks go this way, across the bridge.
Walk carefully. The water is beautiful.
Do you think Max crossed here?
Let's find out.
I hear Max. Me too. There he is.
Good boy, Max. We found him.
The ducks are beautiful.
They swim so smoothly. Nature is wonderful.
I'm happy we found Max. Me too.
Let's rest for a while. Have you ever fished before?
No, I haven't. Me neither.
Then today is your lucky day.
Will we catch a fish? Maybe. I hope so.
Why isn't anything happening?
Maybe the fish are sleeping.
Fishing takes time,
How much time?
sometimes a lot.
I'll keep waiting.
Something is pulling.
Really?
Pull slowly.
I got it! You caught a fish! Well done!
This is amazing.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I packed sandwiches. They look delicious, Grandma.
You're welcome.
The sky looks different.
Those clouds are very dark. I think rain is coming. Should we go home?
Soon.
I hear thunder.
It's raining! Run! Stay close together. This is exciting! And a little wet. The farmhouse is not far away.
Come inside.
We made it! I'm soaked. It's warm in here. That feels much better.
Now let's make dinner. Can you wash the vegetables?
Sure.
What can I do?
Please bring the eggs.
Okay.
The vegetables are clean.
Excellent work.
The soup smells good.
Very good. Fresh vegetables make the best soup.
Can I stir it?
Of course. I can't wait to taste it.
I love cookies. Me too. Then let's make some. Can I crack the eggs?
Yes, carefully.
I'll mix the dough. Perfect.
Look at Max. He wants a cookie.
Not yet, Max.
He's trying to reach them. That's funny.
Cookies are for later.
They look delicious. Can we eat them now?
They need to cool first.
That's hard.
I want one already.
Just a few more minutes.
The soup is delicious. I agree.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for teaching us today. We learned a lot.
And you both worked very hard.
Would you like to take a walk? Yes, that sounds great. Let's visit the hill. Can we watch the sunset? Of course. Let's go.
Wow, this is beautiful. I come here often. I can see the pond.
And the garden.
Everything looks peaceful from up here.
I'm getting sleepy.
Me too. We had a busy day.
A very fun day. I'll remember it forever.
So will I.